Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G53, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and on one of the pages you should have a screen recording toggle. For me, it's on the third page, as you can see right over here. So once you find this toggle, simply tap on it. And we can then select start recording. It starts a countdown, and from there it begins recording. So now right now whatever you do obviously will be recorded. If you tap on this arrow, we can also have access to a couple different things. I did pause it right now. So we have a pencil right here. This will allow you just to draw. We have a color sample, so there we go. We have the sound that is going to be recording, so by default it is set to record only the system sound, but you can change it to microphone, mic and system, or nothing. We have front-facing camera. There we go. And you can begin recording right now. By tapping on a red square, you automatically finish the recording and save it into your photos or gallery application or whatever we have right here. So I'm going to navigate to it right now. There we go, we have photos right here. And you can see our screen recording right at the top. So when I tap on it, it should start the playback right away. There we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.